Hey everyone, welcome to the Adversarial Analyst. Look, let's be completely honest right out of the gate. I'm not a 20-year cybersecurity veteran or an infallible AI expert. I'm an engineer and a researcher who's fascinated by how fast artificial intelligence is moving and honestly, how wild the security side of it is. Every day, developers are deploying AI apps, wrappers, and agents. But because this tech is so new, traditional security rules don't always apply. I wanted to learn how these applications actually get broken into, and more importantly, how to fix them. So I built a local hands on lab and I decided to document my entire learning journey in this new video series, the OWASP Top 10 for LLM Applications. We're going to learn this stuff together from the ground up. If you're new to security, you might be wondering what on earth is OWASP? It stands for Open Web Application Security Project. Think of them as a massive global community that helps developers figure out how to secure their software. For years, they've put out a famous top 10 list for standard web apps covering things like server side request forgery or injection. But large language models like ChatGPT or local models work differently. In standard software, you write strict logic and users give you data. In AI apps, user inputs can actually change how the software behaves because it's a completely different puzzle. OWASP created a specific list just for AI applications. Understanding this list is the best starting point for anyone trying to understand AI security. Over this series, we are going to look at each of these 10 core risks. Don't worry if these sound complicated right now. We are going to break down each one step by step in its own video. The first, prompt injection. This is how a user can trick an AI into ignoring its original instructions. Sensitive information disclosure. When an AI accidentally reveals private data or internal secrets it memorized. Supply chain vulnerabilities. The risks of downloading unverified AI models or third party code packages. Data and model poisoning. How bad data can corrupt a model's training or search results. Insecure output handling. What happens when an application blindly trusts what the AI outputs without checking it first? Excessive agency. Giving an AI assistant too much power to delete files or send emails without human approval. System prompt leakage. Bypassing guardrails to steal the hidden instructions behind an AI app. Vector and embedded weaknesses. Flaws in how AI memory and search systems like RAG store data. Misinformation and over-reliance. The dangers of blindly trusting AI outputs or hallucinated code without checking it. And the final one is unbounded consumption. How attackers can spam an AI system to run up massive API bills or crash the application. For every single one of these, I've built a safe, local environment so we can actually see how they work in real life. To help us learn by doing, I've set up a public GitHub repository called the Adversarial Analyst /OWASP LLM Lab. It is completely free and open. You can find the link to it in the description of this video. For this video, your only homework is to go to the link below, clone the repository, and run a simple configuration check script I wrote. This will make sure your computer has Python, Olama, and Docker ready for when we start building our first project. I'm learning as I go, so if you spot a better way to fix a bug or write a script, jump into the comments or open a pull request on Git. Let's learn together. See you in video 2 where we'll dive into prompt injection. Subscribe.